Hey everybody, it's Sandy Rogers, and this is day 30 for me. And I'm happy to report that everything is still going well. You may hear the wind blowing in the background. It's starting to pick up a little bit. I believe this may be some of the winds from the storm that's out at sea or coming on land or whatever it's doing out there. But we have no control over that. So today is September the 4th. For those of you that are keeping up with the weather situation. So I have some really powerful news today to share with you. So this morning, I had some Himalayan sea salt, and I drink that about once a week, every 6 to 7, 8 days, something like that. And it's just 1 teaspoon that I dissolve in water and then drink it. And it's just to get any additional nutrients or minerals or things like that I need, because your Himalayan sea salt, it actually has about at least 19 different minerals and nutrients that our body desires or our body needs in order to be healthy. So I've been doing that, and so I had my weekly dose this morning, and shortly thereafter, and I'm going to contribute it to the sea salt. It may not have been the actual factor, but I'm going to contribute it to that. I had three bowel movements. I mean, the bowel movements were like I had eaten a full course meal. It was it was it was hard. It was 4 or 5 pieces the first time, and you know when I'm the ones that go plop in the toilet like that. And I was able to look afterwards, and sure enough, they were formed type of bowel that came out. I was just so surprised, because I thought my body was pretty well, cleaned out from all of these days. And other than that drink that I had the other day that I told you guys about, I've been pretty steady with no foods, just 100% no solid food of any kind. And it's just been the liquids and mostly urine and water. And I had that drink the other day, the pomegranate drink. So I'm thinking that possibly this is still more that was stuffed to the sides. I don't know, but I wanted to make sure that I shared that with you. And so I thought the first time was sufficient, because I was just like, wow, where did that come from, right? And but then I had a second, and it was not as much released as the first time, but still there was, stuff coming out, a bowel movement, a bowel coming out. I guess that's what you call it. And then the last time, I was actually getting in the car to go and get a pedicure and a manicure, and I had to stop the car and come back in, come back in the house to go to the bathroom. So that's what it's been like for me today. Since that third time, I've been pretty good. No need to go and have any more eliminations, and so I'm really um, thankful that my body is behaving in the manner that it is. And I also, I had another friend of mine that went on a strictly water fast, and I told her about the Himalayan sea salt, because I had learned some time back that it does provide some minerals and nutrients that your body needs to prevent cramping and any type of issues like that. And she started doing it. She was on a 33-day water fast, and so she was doing it, I believe, every other day or something like that. And it changed the course of her fast, and she was able to sustain and to stay on the diet. I'm sorry, on the fast a lot longer without any issues because she was starting to cramp up a little bit and not have energy and strength. And so, pure Himalayan sea salt. It's the pink sea salt, but it needs to be the Himalayan sea salt. So check on that. And if you're planning to do an extended fast, I know that it has helped. And like I said, I think that that was the reason for this morning elimination. It may not be the direct cause, but that's what I'm going to say helped me. It assisted me in my generous elimination this morning. I'm getting ready to travel to Nashville tomorrow for the National Women in Agriculture Association ninth symposium. And so I'm looking to learn a lot. And so I will get back with you. Hope to get my daily messages in still to you. Not sure what it's going to look like, but I'm taking my camera with me. And so I plan to still report the next 3 or 4 days. And so have a great, great day. Remember, I love you. And if the weather is affecting you, stay safe, right? Stay safe. I love you. See you tomorrow.